Blanket versus throw. What's the difference between a throw and a blanket? So, let's get started. Number 1. What is a throw? A throw is a small blanket that is often draped over sofas, armchairs, chairs, ottomans, cribs, etc. Throws are typically about 50 inches wide by 60 inches long. These measurements can sometimes vary in few inches. Throws are used both as decor elements and as sources of warmth. They are usually made from common materials such as cotton, rayon, and cotton poly blends. Luxury throws may be created using materials such as crushed velvet, faux fur, or suede. Since throws are mainly decorative items, they have bright colors, beautiful and intricate patterns, and fringed edges. They can also be hand-woven, knitted, or crotched. They are sometimes even draped across the foot of a bed or hung on a wall. Number 2. What is a blanket? Blankets are usually larger than throws. They are usually intended for beds. Blankets are usually slightly larger than the mattress, so that they can be draped over the sides and tuck under the mattress. Therefore, blankets are sold in different sizes such as twin, queen, and king sizes. The main purpose of blankets is providing warmth. Therefore, they are typically made from cotton, wool, flannel, or thermal weaves. These materials also provide a soft texture. Blankets are not usually decor elements. They are typically kept beneath the bed coverings and are not displayed. Thus, blankets may not be as attractive or intricately designed as throws. Number 3. The purpose of a throw. A throw's primary purpose, particularly if it's a tapestry-like throw, is for decoration. By choosing simple bedding, you can get a variety of different looks by topping it with different decorative throws. Each one can bring a new look, particularly when matched to other bedroom accessories. Throws are an inexpensive way to change your bedroom's appeal and flavor. Number 4. Throw size and fabric type. Throws are smaller than blankets and made from a wide variety of materials. You'll find the size and fabric used either on the package or at the internet site where you purchase it. The two most popular fabric used in throws are fleece and more decorative tapestry-style throws. Number 5. Throw design and color. There's a wide variety of different colors and designs when it comes to throws, but far fewer in blankets. Blankets, however, are much larger and created to match the size of the bed. Blankets are normally used only for beds or other sleeping areas, since their size corresponds to the sizing of sheets. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe our channel.